This is a simple and fast review of the LUHLEE Magnetic Outdoor Motion Sensor Solar Security Lights. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get the box open here, first thing you'll kind of see is what I assume is going to be your magnets. This has multiple ways to kind of mount, if you will, and that's what's pretty darn cool here, is that it can be put onto this and then mounted on a wall. It can go with suction, just kind of screwing that in and suctioning, or we can go with magnets. Each one comes with instructions on how this all works. Each one comes with mounting screws as well as just a kind of a suction piece. So take that into consideration as well. For me, and these are adjustable as well. As you can see, these kind of move around depending on what you're looking to do, and they will clip right in. So you'll have your gotta move this little plastic, and I'll remove that after. But these will clip right in here, like that, and then you'll be able to screw that in. Sorry, just spinning that. Might be easier to put that on before you kind of do that, but I'll still get it to work. And then adjustable as needed. So and then we'll just tighten this once we get into a position where we're good. Just spin this to tighten, and it will lock it into position. So let's just take a position like that just so you can see it. And we're nice and tight, and it'll stay in position. Obviously, what we want to do is get this charged up. You're going to see kind of your ability to charge via USB-C right there. Power button, very bright, as you can tell. So we have a high and a low. So read your instructions. I'm going to get this charged up, but as you can tell, you're going to have the ability to kind of clamp this in a lot of different ways. I'm going to be clamping it onto an AC unit, believe it or not, because my dog runs away sometimes, and I do like to see exactly where he may have gotten off to, and sometimes having just some light on the grass area is really, really important for me. So that's kind of going to be exactly what I do. Obviously, your options are going to be whatever you want to do, because it is magnetic mount and it is solar powered. So we're going to go ahead and get them charged up outside and show you how they work. So you can't really tell, but this thing is on a motion sensor, and I'm going to turn on a flashlight just to kind of get by it, and then turn it on. And then I'm going to back away so you can kind of tell exactly how bright it is and how much it's lighting things up. Now again, I'm just really trying to keep this area for when pests come around, deer, stuff like that, see the light, so I can track my dog when he runs by there. So to me, the timing's good. Gives a little bright light when it's on. So I didn't film this, so I'm cutting this in. When you turn it on to do a different mode, it'll actually stay on a low light mode and then just brighten up when it sees some motion as well. So we'll just kind of share this as we walk in. Again, you can tell it brightens up, and then you can have it go off, or you can have it just go into that dim mode after a little while. So this is the one that I'm going to keep it on, just giving you an idea on kind of, again, the lighting. So it looks great and does the job. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.